Make a great choice today with the 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, trip odometer, child safety locks, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution, power windows with safety reverse. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.